name's Eunice, and I love world history. For world history, it's very difficult to stay on track, but I managed to do so with my handy-dandy toolbox. In my toolbox, we have lots of utensils, like pens, and even crayons. I prefer the pink variety because they let me have more fun. I like crayons. Also in my handy-dandy toolbox are things such as spirals, which allow me to have vital information like that DBQ, which helped me get that 5. I also have folders. Not only do we have vital information, we also have things like maps. Maps are good. Look at my map. I like my map. Yes, this is my map. Map. We also have past things, like other tests we take. These are vital information because they help us on AP exam too. Like Scantron. Yay for Scantron. It reminds me of a robot personally. But I like robots because they're like beep boop, ah, boop, ah, boop, boop. Okay, and sorry, Eunice, I was in an accident. We also have activities. Who doesn't like activities? We have things like salons. I like folders. Folders are good. Do you like folders? In my folders, I have about... Sorry, I have influenza. Sorry. Okay, in my folders, you have to be quiet because we're in the library. We have folders. Lots of folders. We have information on India and Europe and even current issues. I like issues. Also, we have Spoda.
You have issues.
Sorry. Anyways, we also have a Spodek book. Spodek keeps me very entertained when I have nothing else to do. Which, you might not know it, but the guys are really interested in me. I don't understand. Anyway, we have Spodek, where we learn about...
Can I try that? Sure. Your Toolbox can't teach you how to dance, so just leave.
Eunice, signing off.
And even Chris.